Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Leo Mbui, and in case the first time you're coming across this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, click that red button, and also remember to click the post notification bell so that every time I post you'll be the first one to be notified. So guys, on our today's video, your girl is leaving. Yes guys, I'm ready to leave. I'm wearing the outfit of the day is this dress and those flat shoes and this jacket. So guys, I'm leaving for Machakos to go to a United Nations Youth Delegate Program workshop. So yes, for a whole week, that is from Sunday to Saturday the following week. So yes guys, stick around as we travel with you guys. I want to take an Uber, or rather Uber or Bolt, to take me to Macha. My hair is hairing. So yes guys, let me show you my luggage. Okay, so this is what I've carried. Of course, I've carried my tripod because I know most definitely I'm going to go live on TikTok, and also I'll be vlogging. And then that's my bag, that's my suitcase that I've packed my clothes. Yes guys, yes. So yeah, let's go. Leo ni Sunday.
Hapa South B. Nikampeleka all the way mpaka University of Kenya. My friend, hata alisema alifanya tu exactly what you are telling me. Tunajua nilimuuliza where are you going? Kaniambia Kenya. Now, Kenya, how are you going to get somebody kurudi na hii? Unajua kama hizi apps singekuwa wana consider mambo mengine kama hayo, ingekuwa ni mzuri, hatuna shida. Lakini hii sasa yao
Hello guys, so I have arrived in the hotel where I am supposed to stay for a whole week, from today, which is on Sunday, to next week, to Saturday. Yes guys, and let me give you guys a room tour. The hotel is beautiful. Oh my god, I cannot stop smiling. Damn, the hotel is so beautiful. Let me give you guys a room tour. Okay, yes, so let's go. So guys, this is the door. When you immediately enter into the room, this is what you see. You have the wardrobe over here. It's so big. It's so spacious. Damn. You see, can you guys see what I'm talking about? It's so spacious. Here we have laundry services, some flops. Yes, and here we have some water. I think these sugar, tea, coffee. Yes, and yeah, and then opposite the wardrobe, that's where we have the bathroom. The lighting in this room is not that much, but yes. So guys, here is the bathroom. Yeah, you can see the place to shower. It's so beautiful. It's just so beautiful. I'm in love. Here we have some towels too. We have 2 towels. Yeah, and this one. Then on this side we have the toilet. Yes, this is a toilet. A tissue. Here, what do we have here? just empty. Then here we have oh, I thought this was lighting. Here we have the sink, and you can put your makeup here. Yeah. And here we have the soap, of course, and the shavers only. Wow, what is this? It's not a dryer. Yeah, it's a dryer. Dry your hair. And here we have these. We have this shower gel, shampoo, lotion. Yes, and then my favorite part of the room. Let's first do this. There is you, girl. Here's you, girl. Here's you, girl. Here's you, girl. We have this beautiful part, but my favorite part of the room is this big, beautiful bed. Yes, guys, as you can see, I'm so excited. The curtains zilikuwa zimefunguliwa, but I've closed the curtain, they were open. We have this beautiful sitting area. Yeah, and imagine I'm just alone. Like I'm just niko peke yangu. Then there is my bag that I had carried. See, then we have the side table of this side and the side lamp. About that. Then the switch. Oh wow, this one is near pale. Then this one you switch off. Yes, and then we have this beautiful bed. Guys, imagine just sleeping alone in this beautiful bed. Hata nimeanguka hapo juu ya bed. Imagine sleeping just me, myself, and I. It's the best time to meditate, to have your time alone. Then here is my bag that I came with. Yes. So yes, guys, and when you come to this side, we have the side, the other side table. I've not checked the other one, what it has inside. Wow, and the Bible. This is so nice. No, this one looks like, oh, and the Ninya Nyimbo music book and a Bible. That is so thoughtful. Guys, just look at this bed. Don't mind this pillow. I'm the one who has done this because of the excitement. Guys, I'm so excited. Yani, I'm just so excited. Look at that. Look at that. Then I have this carpet. And then here we have the TV to keep us entertained. Yes, guys, what are YouTube, but on Netflix. Yeah. Here we have this beautiful, what do you call it? What do you call this? An office table. Because here, it's like a sitting table where you just sit, you can talk with your friends. Yes, and then here is the office table where I'm supposed to actually work on my presentation big time. And then here we have a fridge. Yeah, I've kept my ice cream there. Then I'd carry some water. Yeah, I think I should put it on. I hope it's actually on. You know. Yes, and then we have this table. Guest feedback. We are at, check the hotel name. Gillian Hotel, Machakos County. The cradle of hospitality. So yes, guys, nimi nimefunga. I'm the one who has closed these curtains. I've not closed them well, so they were open. Let me show you. They're open. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to show you my view. Yes, and I think these are the AC, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So yes, guys, that's my room. Let me now close the curtain in a well-organized manner. This place is just so beautiful. It's so beautiful, guys. You can see. Yes, so this is my home for the next 1 week. Let me now at least unpack, because I need to unpack. I need to put my things together before I go for dinner, which is supposed to start at 7 to 10. And that means I can go even at 8 or 9, because now it's 6. I have to unpack and maybe refresh a little bit. So guys, you're finally seeing my room and how it looks. It's so beautiful. Alafu, I have some pimples, and the way they are paining, kai. Kwanza haka. It's paining. Ouch, ouch. It's just, it's a lot to take. Damn. It's paining. Look at my hair, guys. Look at my hair. I know, right? It looks so beautiful. A girl is happy. So guys, in case you're wondering, I am going to let you know why I came here in my next vlog, of course. Because yeah, hapa tunaweza fanya morning routine, evening routine, you know, all those good things. So guys, stay tuned. Yes, thank you for watching this video till the end. As I was saying, I have to unpack my bag because nilipack ni kama sirudi kwetu. So that I can put my things together, because the week is starting off mbio. So yes, beautiful people, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Remember to like, comment, and share with friends and families. Always remember to be kind and do good to people. Till next time, bye guys, I love you.